Hi, I'm Harper Jones with Life with Leverage. We coach people on the infinite banking concept and how you can become your own banker. Today, I had someone ask, well, why would I have more than one infinite banking policy or more than one life insurance contract? And we'll go through the reasons why you might have more than one. Let's say, for example, someone says, hey, I want to get a life insurance policy designed for purposes of infinite banking and I want to get comfortable with the concept and start with funding X amount of dollars. Okay, we'll figure out what makes sense for you, make sure you're educated on the concept, and then move forward with the policy. Now, what I see time and time again is someone starts with a policy and they get another one. They might want to put one on a spouse, they might want to put one on a kid or a grandkid, maybe a parent or a business partner, or even a key employee that at their company. So let's go through and digest some of those. So let's say me, myself, I were to start a policy. Then let's say I had a big windfall, had more cash, or my income increased, or I just wanted to start funding more. I could then open up a second policy on myself. I would own the policy, it would be on my life, and my beneficiary could be a spouse, a trust, or anything else, or a charity, however I want to do it. Now, let's say I had a kid. Now, that kid, I could get a policy on them, and they would be obviously the insured, as in it would be on their life and their health. But I could be the owner and the beneficiary, and then fully control the cash values and the policy. Same thing if I were to have a second kid or a third. And you can have as many policies on someone or yourself as long as you have what's called insurable interest and being able to stack those policies up on yourself or on them. It really comes down to how much death benefit coverage that individual could have total based off their income or net worth. And we could dive into that one on one if you want to reach out and talk about that. But for purposes of this video, you could get policies on kids, grandkids, yourself, spouses. Now let's keep in mind, let's have a business. We could have a key employee that we don't want to leave us. Maybe we want to bonus them, but we don't want to offer a 401k or qualified plans to everyone. Well, we could start funding a life insurance contract and then use the cash values for the business, bonus the employee, right, with that policy, or gift them the policy after a certain amount of years to make sure they stay with us so they have an incentive. That could be another example. So, me, myself, I have 7 or 8 policies. I got a handful on myself. I got some on business partners and family, and always looking to add more. Also, some people might get term policies on themselves or spouses, so they make sure they have enough insurance coverage on the family if something were to happen, and they lock in the insurability. And what's cool is those terms can have what's called a conversion rider to convert some of that policy or all of it to a whole life or a permanent infinite banking style policy in the future. So, hope this helps. You can find more resources on lifewithleverage.com, or you can reach out to me at Harper at lifewithleverage.com. We could look at your current policies. We could start up some new ones, expand your system, or just talk about infinite banking and how we can get more educated.